Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. It has been very hot in Hong Kong, but suddenly a typhoon hit and the weather changed beautifully. I love celebrating rainy weathers, and in celebration of today, I am going to make some French fries. I always thought cutting the fries thinner would make them crispier, but that's not the case here. They should be around 1 centimeter thick. Thanks, Samar. After cutting them all, wash them till the water comes clear and then soak them in cold water with a tablespoon of salt. If you're making a lot of them at once like me, then add an extra tablespoon of salt and soak them for an hour. If you're making a little batch of them, then you can soak them for around 20 minutes to half an hour. After soaking them, strain them and fry them in medium hot oil. Remember, we are going to fry the fries twice. The first batch should be fried in medium hot oil and the second batch should be fried in very, very hot oil.
Okay. Double may fry ka sa tato to sa amin asul maga chakata no. French fries no. Pag ay may thodi pa ba ne. Sige ikaw ne.
Need you to take fries.
Could you take love?
Okay.
Eko ये तो आ रहा है कि हवाई सी ना बर पे मलाला नहीं मलाला
We are going to let them cool down before frying the second time, and if you have time you can actually freeze them for better results. I'm going to fry some and freeze the rest while they're cooking. I had these paper bags at home and I wanted to customize them with their names to make it more special. They were not freezed very well, but cold in temperature, so I fried them anyway. Remember that the oil should be very hot for the second time of frying. I'm also making some tea for parents. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please subscribe for more live in Hong Kong content, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up before leaving. Yeah. I added too much salt. Không có chịu rồi.